Sorry for inconvenience. Yeah, student, we are on question number 3, and we are doing the second part. We had find out the value of x. So according to us in this question, what is the value of x? That is -1. Okay. So now no need to put the value of x in this full equation to make it so lengthy. No need. Okay, we just put the value of x in that step. When you will see, when you are solving that equation, then there is x upon 5 equal to -1 upon 5. So put the value of x here. Okay, what is the value of x? -1 upon 5 equal to -1 upon 5, because LHS is equal to RHS. So our answer is right. Clear? Okay. So you just copy down. Okay, this question, and now I am doing question number 4, because first and third question I had done already in previous lesson. Now I am doing part 4th. Okay, part 4th. Yeah, what is the part 4th? 6 3x minus 5 minus 2 4x minus 5 equal to 0. This is the question. First, you have to open the bracket, and same thing, you have to multiply this 6 by 3x and this 6 by 5x. Same here. Minus 2, not only 2, because minus is also here. So minus 2 by this 4x and minus 2 by this 5x. Sorry, 5. Minus 5. Now see, when you multiply 6 to 3, 6 3s are 18x. Okay? Then plus minus 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. Now minus 2 into 4x. So 2 into 4, 8, or minus sign. So minus 8x, or minus plus, and 2 5s are 10. So plus 10 equal to 0. Clear? Now see, just remain the value of x here and take the numbers to the right hand side. So 18x minus 8x leave here. Here is 0. Okay? So I think so if we don't write the 0, then no problem. क्योंकि 0 plus करेंगे, कुछ भी करेंगे, value 0 ही रहेगी. So now what comes here? 10. 10 is here plus. So when we take it to RHS, then plus 10 change to minus 10, or minus 30 change to plus 30. क्योंकि plus minus, minus plus, multiply divide, and divide multiply. Now 18x minus 8x, 10x. Okay? Yeah, 30 and 10, 40. 40 हो जाएगा. एक प्लस इंटीजर है, एक माइनस इंटीजर. We will find the difference. 30 minus 10, 20, and which sign will come? Plus sign, because plus integer have greatest value. Now from here, x is equal to 20 upon 10. That means x is equal to 2. So from here, the value of x is 2. Now to check the answer, don't put the value of x here. Put the value of x here, because 10x is equal to 20. तो हमें लेंदी नहीं बनाना है, फिर से करने बैठ गए फालतू में, ना. So 10x, value of x 2. 10 into 2 is equal to 20, and 10 2s are 20 is equal to 20, because LHS is equal to RHS. So our answer is correct. Clear? Now see one more question. Please watch these questions very carefully, because these things you have to apply everywhere in algebraic expressions. Okay? So watch the video very carefully, watch the questions very carefully. All the things is very important. So now question number 5. Yeah. 2 1 minus 5x minus 3 7x plus 1. Okay, now here is equal to. Okay, and after the equal to there are 2 and then bracket 5 plus 2x minus 9. Now this is the equation. So first what you have to do, multiply that 2 by this one and multiply that 2 by 5x. Same here, minus 3 multiply by 5x 7x sorry, and minus 3 multiply by 1, and same here you have to do 2 multiply by 5 and 2 multiply by 2x. Clear? And then minus 9 ऐसे ही रहेगा. You have to multiply the number which are inside the bracket by the distributive property. So now 2 multiply by 1, 2. 2 1 the 2. Minus 2 5 the 10x. Clear? Now minus 3 into 7x. Minus 7 3 the 21x. And then minus 3 into plus 1. 3 1 the 3. And minus into plus minus. So minus 3. Now equal to sign. 2 into 5. 2 5 the 10. Plus 2 into 2x. 2 2 the 4x. And then minus 9 as it is. No need to multiply the 2 by this 9 because here is minus sign. They are not in the multiplication. Okay. So minus 9 will come as it is. Now what you have to do? Take all the algebraic expression having x to LHS and take all the numeral expression to the right side. So now already minus 10x is here. Now first you have to identify that minus 10x minus 21x, and here after the equal to at the RHS right hand side there is 4x. So now first remain the x value here, minus 10x or minus 21x. What do you have to do now? You have to take out the 4x from the RHS to LHS. So here is 4x plus 4x. So when we will take it to the LHS, then what will happen? Minus 4x plus minus हो गया. Then equal to sign. अब now already 10 and 9 is here. So no need to change that sign because 10 and minus 9 is already at the right hand side. So 10 as it is, minus 9 as it is, but 2 we have to take from LHS to RHS, and also 3 we have to take from LHS to RHS. So ये 2 जब RHS side जाएगा, then what will happen? Plus 2 change to minus 2 and minus 3 change to plus 3. Minus 2 plus. Okay. Now there are all are negative signs. So we will add them. सब भी माइनस के, तो सबको प्लस कर लेंगे. 21 and 4 25, 25 and 10 35x. किसका? माइनस. ओके. Now equal sign. Yeah. 10 here are 10 positive and minus 9 and minus 2 are same and 3 positive. So positive के 10 और 3 कितने हो गए? 13. और निगेटिव के माइनस 9 एंड माइनस 2 इनको भी प्लस करेंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा? माइनस 11. 9 into 11 माइनस का. नाउ माइनस 35x इज इक्वल टू 13 माइनस 11 2. 13 में 11 माइनस किया 2 और एक प्लस का माइनस कर रहा ना, माइनस किया और साइन किसका आएगा? प्लस का, क्योंकि प्लस का इंटीजर बड़ा है. नाउ फ्रॉम हियर what we have to do? X is equal to and minus x. Minus is also here. First take the 35 to that side. 2 upon no need to do this. Okay. From here what you have to do? From here what you have to do? You have to remove the 35 from here and also minus sign here. So minus 35 is here in the multiplication. So you have to divide 35 to both sides. Divide 35 to both sides. Now when you divide the 35, then see what will happen. Minus 35 upon 35 x is equal to 2 upon 35, because I told you that whatever you have to do to LHS, you have to do same to RHS. 35 cancel. What will happen? Minus x is equal to 2 upon 35. अब now यहाँ पे माइनस साइन भी हटाना है. सो माइनस साइन जो यहाँ पर होता है, इसे एज इट इज हम क्या करते हैं, RHS की साइड ट्रांसफर कर देते हैं, या हम लिखेंगे कि मल्टीप्लाइंग इट बाई -1. तो जब हम इसकी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे -1 से, तो माइनस और माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, और यहाँ पर -2 अपॉन 35 हो जाएगा. तो हम लिख लेते हैं मल्टीप्लाई बाई -1 टू both side. Okay, so when we will multiply it, then remove the minus sign from here and put minus sign here. So now from here the value of x is -2 upon 35. Now you have to check your answer. So where you will put the value of x? Here. Okay, here you have to put the value of x. So now see, minus 35 x is equal to 2. Now what is the value of x? Minus 2 upon 35. So minus 35 into minus 2 upon 35 इक्वल टू 2. अब आप कहेंगे इसका आंसर 2 कैसे आएगा भाई, कैसे हम पूरा करें? तो देखिए ऐसा करेंगे हम, 35 से 35 कैंसिल, ठीक. अब माइनस माइनस हो गया प्लस, माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस, और यहां पर केवल क्या बचा, 2 ही तो बचा. तो 2 इक्वल टू 2. सो जब दोनों इक्वल हो गए, LHS इज इक्वल टू RHS, दैट्स व्हाई आवर आंसर इज करेक्ट. Try to do that question, understand this concept and try by yourself. Okay, आज के लिए हम यहीं तक करते हैं. Thank you and have a nice day.